Hi, good morning everyone. Today we will do 14b exercise, your first question. So that is integration by substitution method part 2. So in this your first question is cos 2x by cos x. So we apply the formula here. Cos 2x formula is 2 cos square x minus 1 by cos x, and here now when you separate this one cos is cancelled, only left 2 cos x minus 1 by cos x. Cos x integration is sin x and secant x integration is log secant x plus tan x. Now in second question, sin x by sin 2x, apply the sin 2x formula to sin x cos x, and what is left? Only 1 by cos x, 1 by 2 taken it outside, and integration of secant x is log secant x plus tan x. Next is your third question, sin x plus e. Sin x plus e. So first we adjust this angle in the numerator, x plus a minus e, then sin x plus a as it is in the denominator. Now arrange the formula of here. Sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos is sin b. So when you open this one, only what is left here? It is left cos a, because sin x plus a is cancelled. Here cot x plus a, sin a is constant. Constant term keep it outside. Integration of 1 is x, and integration of cot x plus a is log sin x plus a plus c. Now your next is sin x minus a by sin x dx. So here when you open this one, again sin a minus b formula, sin x cos a minus cos x sin a upon sin x dx. Now cancel, separate the denominator, cancel the term, cos a minus cot x sin a is left, and integration of 1 is x, and integration of cot x is log sin x, and sin a and cos a are constant terms, keep it outside. Next is cos x sin x plus a. Now arrange this denominator angle in the numerator, that becomes cos a minus b formula. Apply cos a minus b, that is cos a cos b plus sin is sin b. So separate the denominator. After separating the denominator, we will get cot x plus a cos a plus sin a dx. Then cos a cot x plus a dx sin a, integration of 1. Integration of 1 is x, and integration of cot x plus a is log sin x plus a. Now your sixth question is dx by sin x cos square x. Here 1 is left. First 1 changes to your identity, sin square x plus cos square x. So that is sin x cos square x, and when you separate the denominator, you get tan x secant x plus cosecant x, and integration, apply the direct formula of integration, secant x plus log tan x by 2. Now your seventh question is in this. Here again same method of your sixth question method, like sin x cos cube x, apply the identity, sin square x plus cos square x, sin x cos cube x, separate the denominator. When you separate the denominator, we get tan x secant square x and 2 cosecant 2x. Now integration of this, if you just check that this is tan x differentiation is secant square x, and our formula is if fxn and f differentiation of this term, what is term inside is multiply with this, we can directly apply the formula fxn plus 1 n plus 1 by plus c. So here, so we ignore this one differentiation because this is a differentiation of this. So according to the formula, we consider power 1. So we just add the power, tan 1 plus 1 tan square x by 2, and here integration of cosecant 2x is log tan x by 2. In place of x there is 2x by 2, and 2x differentiation we write in the denominator. So only left tan square x by 2 plus log tan x plus c. Next is sin 2x, sin 5x, sin 3x. Adjust these two angles in the numerator, 5x minus 3x. So now you apply sin a minus b formula here. When you apply sin a minus b, Sin 5x cos 3x minus cos 5x sin 3x. Denominator as it is, separate the denominator, we get cot 3x minus cot 5x, and integration of cot x is log sin x. But here when you going to write the integration, log sin x, in place of x there is 3x, and 3x differentiation will be in the denominator. Here log sin 5x and 5x differentiation in the denominator. Next is your ninth question, cos 3x minus cos x. Apply the formula here, cos a minus cos b, that is minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. So we get minus 2 sin 2x and sin x. Dx is equal to minus 4 sin x. Sin 2x, when you open 2 sin x cos x, keep sin x as it is, we get 1 by 4 sin square x cos x. It's a previous same question, 6th question. We do further according to that. In place of 1 we arrange the identity, sin square x plus cos square x, sin square x cos x minus 1 by 4 1 by cos x. When you separate the denominator, we get secant x plus cosecant x and cot x, and apply the direct formula of integration here, we get log secant x plus tan x minus cosecant x. So that is my required answer. Next is your 10th question. Here 1 plus 2 tan x plus secant x, and common, this common power is 1 by 2. So here 1 plus 2, first you open the bracket, 2 tan square x plus 2 secant x tan x, separate this tan square x plus tan square x, this becomes secant square x, tan square x, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is a plus b whole square formula, secant x plus tan x whole square, power is cancelled, only secant x plus tan x is left. Secant x integration is log secant x plus tan x, and tan x integration is log secant x plus c. Next is your 11th question. If in the denominator, remember one thing, if there is no term in the numerator, denominator is the either sine, combination of sine and cos. We always take cos a minus b, okay, but if it is either same term, either both term will be sin x and both term will be cos x, always you can take sin a minus b. Here opposite trigonometry terms are there, first we arrange, because we have to adjust this angle in the numerator. So a minus b is equal to x minus b minus x minus a, then cos a minus b. So why we take the cos here instead of sine? Because there are opposite terms are there. Opposite term we always go with the cos, and same term we go with the sine. Cos a minus b will be rewritten as cos x minus b minus x minus a. So we multiply numerator denominator with cos a minus b. So now cos a minus b further elaborate in the form of denominator angles like cos x minus b minus x minus a. So that is, if you solve this one, you get again a minus b. So here apply cos e minus b formula, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Separate the denominator, we get cot x minus a plus tan x minus b. Integration of cot is log sin x minus a, and tan is log secant x minus b. Now log m plus log n is equal to log m into n, your logarithm rules. Now m into n, this secant goes in denominator, becomes cos x minus b. So that is the required answer. Now here both term cos is same, that means I have to take sin a minus b and sin a minus b. Now a minus b adjust with the denominator angles, apply c sin a minus b formula. After applying the formula, when you separate the denominator, we will get tan x minus b minus tan x minus a. So integration of tan is log secant x minus b minus log secant x minus a. Log m minus log n formula, log m upon n, but when you change, secant is the reciprocal of cos, so interchange with each other. So my required answer is log cos x minus a by cos x minus b plus c with 1 upon sin a minus b. Now your 13th question is 1 plus sin x, 1 plus cos x. First separate the term with each other, and 1 plus cos x is a half angle formula of like cos 2x. So 2 cos square x by 2, here also 2 cos square x by 2, numerator changes to 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. and after solving we get secant square x by 2 and tan x by 2. Secant square integration is tan x by 2, but x by 2 differentiation should be written in the denominator. Here also x by 2 differentiation in the denominator, and we get tan x by 2 plus 2 log secant x by 2 plus c. Now next is secant. Either you can stop at secant x by 2, your answer, or either you can open secant x by 2 as 1 by cos x by 2 and log m upon n, log m minus log n, log 1 is 0. So what is left? Log x by 2 minus 2 log cos x by 2 plus c. Next is your 14th question, 1 upon 1 minus sin x square root dx. First apply in place of 1 identity, cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2. Sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. That become cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 square and square root. Square root will be cancelled. So what is left? Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now here you multiply this with 1 by root 2, because both values of sin and cos is like sin 45 degrees 1 by 2 and cos 45 degrees 1 by 2. So I want to adjust with the sin a minus b angle, so I multiply with 1 by root 2, numerator and denominator both. So 1 by root 2 keep it outside, and 1 by root 2 multiply with the denominator, so that changes to sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4. Now here if you write sin pi by 4 in place of 1 by root and cos pi by 4 in place of 1 by root, that is equal same as sin a minus b formula. 1 upon sin changes to cosecant, and cosecant integration is log tan x by 2, that is pi by 4 minus x by 2 by 2. But pi by 4 minus x by 2 differentiation will be minus 1 by 2 in the denominator. Now ultimately my answer is minus root 2 log tan pi by 8 minus x by 4 plus c. Now last question of this exercise, I is equal to sin x 1 plus sin x square root. First I will arrange the denominator in the numerator, so that becomes 1 plus sin x root minus 1 upon 1 minus sin x root. So this I consider as I1 and this I consider as I2. Separately I solved. Whatever I get the answer, I substitute back in this first equation. So here first I1, 1 plus sin x, open with the perfect square like cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, 2 sin x by 2. That gives me cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Square root will be cancelled. Terms will be separate. Now you directly integrate. Cos x by 2 is sin x by 2, x by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2, sin x by 2 is minus cos x by 2, and x by 2 differentiation is 1 by 2. Sin x by 2, that is the integration. After integration we get the required answer, that is of I1. Now go with I2. Here 1 plus sin x square root sin x changes to cos pi by 2 plus x. So here we apply the 1 minus cos x formula is 2 sin square x by 2. In place of x, this is pi by 2 plus x, and divide by 2, that gives me pi by 4 plus x by 2, and square root will be cancelled. 1 by root 2 is outside, and 1 by sin changes to cosecant pi by 4 plus x by 2, and cosecant integration is tan x log tan x by 2, and differentiation of pi by 4 plus x by 2 in the denominator, so that give me 1 by 2. So that is my required answer. Now apply I1 and I2, replace back in your exercise first equation, that is I is equal to I1 minus I2. Thank you. Have a nice day.